Hey y'all, I'm Cameron. Welcome to the channel and to today's video. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you're doing alright today. I'm doing pretty good. I recently got myself some nice new hoops. My old ones were turning my ears green. So it was kind of out of necessity because I don't know who I am without hoops. Anyway, in today's video, I'm walking you through a handful of my current favorite lip colors and color combinations and product combinations. This was completely inspired by Jane Hughes, my girl, my favorite makeup artist. She recently posted a video on her Instagram page walking you through the exact same things, and I was just like, hey, I have products that I love and combinations that I love, and I would love to make a video on this. So basically this was a completely original idea, and I'm going to walk you through everything that I came up with on my own. First up is the NYX Lip Pencil in Nude Truffle, paired with Generation G from Glossier in the shade Leo. I absolutely love this combo together. I love them both separately, and then when I tried them together, I realized that they are shade mates, shade soulmates, and they just match really perfectly together, but they also have very similar texture. I like that it's a matte texture without being too drying, very comfortable on the lips, not a lot of transfer, and it just feels right. Next up, we have another lip pencil from NYX in the shade Natural, paired with Baby Bellini from the Lip Bar. This lip combo is definitely one of my most frequently worn, if not the most. The NYX Lip Pencil in the shade Natural is one of my absolute favorite makeup products of all time. I've gone through probably like 11,000 liners. There's a reason that this one is a nub. I just use them so much. I love the texture, I love the shade. It matches my lips ever so perfectly while being just a touch darker than my natural lip shade to add some definition. And I just love the price. They're like $4 and you can't beat it. And Baby Bellini from Lip Bar is a really great peachy nude that pairs well with a lot of the liners that I use, and it just is dreamy. This next lip combo is a recent favorite. If you can't tell, I definitely am nude leaning when it comes to lip colors. I like stuff that is either warm browns or close to peachy nudes, anything that's closest to my lip color with a little bit of extra definition. But I do love a good bold situation when I'm in the mood. So this is a recent discovery, and it's using this LA Girl Precision Liner in the shade Boundless Berry and Laura Mercier Rouge Essentiel in Violette. The next combo that I love is this LA Girl Liner in Cafe and NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. I've been having a lot of gloss moments lately, and the NYX Butter Gloss is always a go-to for me because it has great shine and the pigment is just enough that it really pairs well with anything, just your bare lips or really great liner or on top of a lipstick. I just love the versatility of it. I love the juice, and these two colors together are just the perfect warm caramely deliciousness that I want every once in a while. This next combo is another boldie but a goodie. However, I realize I'm using a lot of NYX lip products. I don't actually use a lot of their other makeup, but I guess I just love a good NYX lip situation because this is the NYX Suede Lip in Cherry Skies paired with one of their Suede lip liners in Alabama. They're cheap and they're good quality. I'm a fan. Since this is a bold color and a liquid lip, I want to start with a little in the center and use a brush to diffuse it so I have more control over the layers. These bolder lips can be a little bit tricky, especially when you want clean, crisp edges, so I'm going to use a little flat brush with some of my concealer and just do what I can to clean it up a bit. Using the precision wands that come with these types of lip creams is definitely a godsend. I highly recommend it, although you've probably heard me in previous videos talk about using a lip brush to apply lip colors, especially darker, more bold lip colors. It definitely is helpful and it will definitely give you a little bit of control. However, when they already come in the lipstick, you're set. If you couldn't tell as I was applying, it helps to create an outline and a straight line and a clean line while also applying the lip color. Now, this formula is a little hard to layer because sometimes when you apply it, you almost pick up color. So you want to go in short layers and be really gentle with your pressure. And that's where a brush will come in if you want to evenly spread things out. And then using the actual applicator it comes with will help with opacity of color and just add a little bit more oomph. All right, kids, we're on to the last combo. This is one that I probably wear most frequently. Like, this is what I have in my bag with me at like all times. It's just a great, easy, simple combination, and it kills two birds with one stone. A little bit of color and some moisture. So we've got, back with the oldie but goodie, NYX Natural Lip Liner paired with Berry Balm from Glossier. Here she is, our winning combo. Not like this was a competition or anything, but like I said, I wear this one probably the most often because it's just the most natural on me. That's kind of my vibe, like I said before, but it's the combination of the lip liner that gives me the definition that I want and fullness in my lips. Again, it's very similar to my natural lip color while just evening things out and adding a little bit of definition and depth. And then the slight tint from the Berry Balm, which you saw looked super dark, but once it's blended on my lips and on most people's lips, it adds just a really subtle, deep berry hint and just taste, and the flavor, I love it. It's totally nostalgic for me. It reminds me of some candy I used to have when I was a kid. It is very strong, so if you're sensitive to scent, and especially very fruity scent, maybe she's not your girl, but the two of them together are amazing. Since the lip liner is a little more on the matte side, once it's blended with the lip balm, it's just this perfect, hydrating, beautiful, colorful mixture fusion loveliness that I'm clearly a fan of. All right, that's it for me today, y'all. As always, thank you so much for hanging out. It is such a pleasure. I so appreciate you all. It literally means the world. Please let me know in the comments what your favorite combo that I shared with you today was, what your favorite is, what your go-tos are, and if you have any other brand recommendations. As you can tell, a lot of the brands that I use today are budget brands, and these days more than ever, I'm really trying to ball on a budget, especially in the beauty world. There's so much out there that I want to have every little piece of. However, my way to be a part of it while not break the bank is to try some of the more easily accessible brands, and I hope that that helps you as well, especially if you're in a similar space where you want to explore, but you know, spare your wallet the pain a little bit, you know? Please consider subscribing if you're not already, and then actually subscribe because it means a lot. It takes my little tiny baby channel and helps her grow, and it's a really cool thing. Also, give this video a thumbs up, and that's all I got, actually. Thank you so much again. Please take care, be well, and I'll see you next time. Love you so much. Bye.